So once you have cut the pineapple in half, I would square or make cubes in the pineapple and cut them out to remove it so that you have a clean bowl. And here I have my chicken and shrimp separated. The first one that I made was the jerk chicken, and I used 2 different seasonings for that. Then I set aside my chicken for my regular pineapple teriyaki bowls, and I just seasoned them with some salt and pepper and some Mrs. Dash. So I use sesame oil for the grease and I cook them separately. Started with my jerk chicken, and then I made in another pot my regular teriyaki chicken. So I did the chickens first, and then after those were cooked, I set them aside and I did the jerk chicken and shrimp. Then I started to make my teriyaki sauce. I started with the pineapples, then I added soy sauce, hoisin sauce, brown sugar, and I did not have garlic paste, so I used mixed garlic, and it came out pretty good. And here's the final product. I have the jerk shrimp and chicken with white rice, but you can switch it up. And I have the teriyaki chicken with fried rice. I used a frozen rice bag and I added soy sauce to give it that look. But yeah, and y'all, it was banging. Like, ooh, the jerk shrimp was so good. I really don't know if I like the jerk or the teriyaki bowl better, but that really came out nice. I know this looks good, and I know you want to see more videos like this and more hair journey videos, more skin journey videos, more just videos in general. So remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next upload.